Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Picsart and importing the image you want to edit. Pick a composition and crop to 1, 1, 4, 5, or 16 to 9 so your subject reads clearly. Once done, duplicate the photo layer and lock the original. This preserves data if you need to revert. Make sure to rename the copy so you don't confuse versions. You're setting up a safe workspace, which speeds every later adjustment and keeps the original pixels intact for comparison. Next, tackle light and color because they define mood. Open Tools, right arrow adjust and gently raise exposure or pull down highlights, then balance with shadows and contrast. After that, use color or HSL to target specific hues, boost skin warmth or mute a distracting background. Once satisfied, switch to Detail Tools. Healing and Clone remove blemishes, while Sharpen brings focus. Make these edits on the duplicated layer so corrections stay non-destructive. It also makes toggling before and after quick and reliable. To finish, add finishing touches. Subtle filters, overlays, or a vignette to guide the eye, lower opacity to keep edits natural. Once done, export at the highest quality. Choose JPG for online use or PNG if you need transparency. Make sure to name the final file clearly. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Revert to the original locked layer or use the history panel to step back. These options let you recover quickly without redoing everything, which saves time and preserves your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.